Therefore Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Tatha dehantara prapti dhirastatta namayati. Dhirastatta namayati. So, you cannot understand him unless you become a dhira. You cannot understand what is spiritual life, what is spirit. It is not a bogus thing that I manufacture something, concoct something, and do something, and I become a leader, I become a spiritual master. It's all nonsense. Dhirastattva. The word is dhira, and dhira is explained in the Kumar Sambhav. The dhira, just like Lord Shiva lost his wife. She committed suicide before her father. That's a Dukkha Yagga, who has learned about Dukkha Yagga. So, Lord Shiva was performing yoga practice, meditation, and in the meantime, his wife, Devi, she took birth as daughter of Himalayan, king of Himalayan, Parvati. So, there was fight between the demigods and the demons. So, there was a plan that if by the seminar of Lord Shiva, one son is born, Kartikeya, then he will be able to kill these demons. Otherwise it is very difficult. So Lord Shiva was engaged in meditation after the death of his wife. In the meantime, his wife took birth in the Himalaya. So now he has to be induced to unite with this Parvati. So there was plan made. The plan made that Parvati, young age, beautiful girl, and Lord Shiva is meditating naked, and he was offering worshipable flowers on the genital. Still, he was not disturbed. Young girl touching the genital of a person, but he is not disturbed. And that is dhira. That is the example of perfection of dhira. Even in the presence of being agitated, one who is not agitated, that is called dhira. Otherwise everyone becomes agitated. That is natural. Young boy sees another young man, or young man sees another young girl. Natural. Sex appetite, natural. But one who can control that, that is dhira. That is dhira. Dhirastattva namayati. That is yoga practice. That is yoga practice. Control. When there will be need, I shall use it. Just like Kardamani. Kardamani was given the best beautiful daughter of King Manu. So, she was simply serving, not that immediately coming and sexually inclined. So, Kardamani saw that this girl came to me and I have accepted her as my wife, but she is engaged fully, although she is the prince, the daughter of king, very great king. But I am not giving her any comfort. She has become lean and thin, skinny, but engaged. So, he promised that I am accepting your daughter, but as soon as she will have some children, then I will leave her. On this condition I can accept your daughter. The father came with the daughter, that my daughter has selected you as the proper husband, please accept. So he accepted, but he made this condition that as soon as your daughter will have some children, then I will leave home. That was accepted. So these are the examples how to become dhira. It is not spiritual consciousness. It is not so easy thing that you can go. But by the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it is being easily distributed. That is the grace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But if we misuse it, even this facility, do not know what is the aim of life, then we are missing the opportunity. So, go on, did you?
The degradation of the human instinct begins from the mlechas and the Chandala state of life is the last word in human degradation. All the above terms mentioned in the Vedic literatures.
This is first class life. Sattva samadama titikka arjava jnanam vijnanam asikam brahma karma sabhava. And the lowest class of life, practically nowadays all lowest class of life, the life of a chandal, dog eaters. So, this is the description in the Shastra. Go on.
All the above terms mentioned in the Vedic literatures are never meant for any particular community or birth.
It is not that because one has taken birth in the lowest class family, some chandala, dog eaters. It does not mean that he will have to remain in that position. Just like uneducated person. It is not that he will have to remain in that uneducated standard. No, he can become educated. He can become educated. That is Krishna consciousness movement. There is no check on any particular person, community to become God consciousness. God himself says, Krishna says, Mang hi partha vipasritya jepisu papajunoyo. Papajuni, to take birth in lower class of human society, is called papajuni. But Krishna says, never mind, papajuni. Mangi partha vipasritya jepisu papajuna. Striya vaishya tatha sudra stepi janti parangati. Formerly in the Vedic civilization, even Ovan and Shudra and Vaishya, they are also considered amongst the papajuni. What to speak of others? But Krishna says, never mind. What about papajuni? One may be. Mangi partha vipasritya. If one takes shelter of my devotee, vipassit, and works under his direction, then that is called vipasita. Vishesha rupena asritya. Then he also, depi janti parangati. They can also go back to home, back to her. There is no bar. But one has to purify himself by the purificatory process. That is called sanskar. Sanskarat bhavet dvija. By purificatory process, one becomes purified. And purified means no more sinful life. That is purification. Jesham antagatam papam. One who is fully free from sinful activities. Jesham antagatam papam. Jananang punna karmanam. Te dandamaho nirmukta bhajanti mang dirbrata. So Krishna bhajan is not very difficult. Simply we have to follow the four principles of sinful life. No illicit sex, no gambling, no intoxication, no meeting. And chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Thank you very much.